In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of the Microsoft Teams app on both your desktop and mobile devices. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or a mobile device, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's both clear and straightforward. Let's get started with the desktop version first. If you're using Windows, you'll want to launch Microsoft Teams from your Start menu. For Mac users, head on over to your Applications folder and open Teams from there. Once the application is up and running, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture there. It's small but key. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a drop-down menu presenting several options related to your account. Among these options, you'll find Sign Out. It's usually located near the bottom of the list. Click on Sign Out, and just like that, Teams will automatically close and clear your active session. This means you're successfully signed out. Whenever you're ready to return, you'll have to log back in to access Teams and all its functionalities again. Now let's move on to the mobile version. Launch Microsoft Teams on your phone or tablet, whether it's Android or iOS. The interface is quite similar. As with the desktop version, you need to navigate to your profile picture. This time, it's situated at the top left corner of your screen. Tapping on your profile picture provides you with a new menu. From here, select Settings. You might need to scroll a bit, but don't worry, we're almost there. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you spot Sign Out. Tap on it, and you may be prompted to confirm your choice. If prompted, simply confirm, and the app will then close your session. Don't forget, this means that your next visit to Teams will require signing back in. Having the ability to sign out is important for maintaining privacy and securing your account, especially if you share your device or are switching devices frequently. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile, knowing how to quickly sign out can help keep your information safe and sound. That wraps up our tutorial on signing out of Microsoft Teams on both desktop and mobile platforms. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Have a great day and happy Teamsing!